So I picked this thing up in the junk bins of Akihabara for about 500, I think it was 540 yen. Um, and I didn't really know what it was. It says on it it's called the Repeater, but I wasn't sure what it was, so it kind of caught my eye. And I figured 540 yen is about $5, so I figured as a curiosity it was kind of worth it. Anyway, I searched a little bit on the internet and there wasn't much information in English on it, but as far as I can tell, it's kind of like a card-based learning system. So the idea would be you get credit cards style cards that you swipe through, um, and then it plays the audio off the card, and you can use that for learning. So it will repeat whatever is on the card. So you can look at the card and it will maybe have like a picture on it, and then you'll have to try and remember, oh, what was the English for, this picture, and then you'll swipe the card through and it'll play the audio. So it's kind of a learning system, and you can see it's got the Kumon brand on it here, which is so popular. They run classes in Japan, and they provide a lot of learning materials and like a learning system for kids. So anyway, I opened it up. Obviously, I don't have any of the cards, which kind of means I can't actually use it as it was intended. But I opened it up and had a look inside. Um, I haven't looked at the circuit in detail, but it's kind of interesting that they're using a TI part, and haven't looked at that number, but I think that's possibly a microcontroller. It has a big digital written next to it, and I think it's kind of interesting in that this is kind of like a hybrid analog digital design, and it's just at that kind of point of transition where we were moving from like cassette tapes into digital systems. So the data on the card appears to have been encoded as like an analog signals, just like an audio tape, and you'd feed the card through, and it would turn on this motor, which would then pull the card through at a constant speed so it could sample the audio. And it will then record the audio, digitally sample it, and play it back. So I kind of tried this with, see if I can get it working now. Just stuck some audio tape to a piece of card and see if we can pick out the... So hopefully you can see hear the distorted kind of sound. I don't know what's on this tape. I just found it in one of my junk bins. But yeah, but there you go. So it's sampled it, and then it's just repeatedly playing it back. So you can run it in a repeat mode, or you can press a button to replay it. Yeah, but I thought that was kind of cool. I thought it was kind of an interesting artifact of Japanese manufacturing, and something that I'm sure didn't make it outside Japan. It was just purely available in Japan as a kind of learning system.